My girls were so excited for their new art easel, and it comes with so much stuff. I love how many things this art easel comes with. Setting it up was pretty easy for my husband, and while he was doing it, my girls were so excited they started using it immediately. I like how it has a whiteboard on it, and the setup really wasn't that difficult. The other side has a chalkboard, and it comes with these super cool chalk crayons, which write so easily, and they can just wash right off, so that's awesome. Plus, you get all these magnets too, so my girls definitely had fun playing with the magnets. One of the things to note, there's a sticker that comes on the whiteboard side. It is kind of hard to get off. I ended up having to use nail polish remover. Okay, now on to the painting part. So you get paints, you get the paper, and your kids can have so much fun painting. They even get this little smock. It's adorable, and I just love seeing my girls have such a great time creating little masterpieces.
It's rainbow.
This is a wonderful art easel. I think your kids are going to have a lot of fun with it, and I love how everything stays really organized with it, and it's easy to clean up when everything is all done.